Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VYST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement on this one today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and definitely well above average volume on it. And the big question now going forward is, is this the start of something bigger? Any rational person is going to say, yeah, today the price made a really nice move. I mean, it was just down here. Now all of a sudden it's way up there. So yeah, I get it. It did pull back from its highs, but still, relatively speaking, where it was to where it is right now, anybody would say, yeah, that is definitely a nice move. But like I said, the valid question now at this point, the logical question is, but is there any sort of true power behind this? Is this the start of something bigger or not? Well, I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And if we can all agree on what I would like to think is common sense, then I think we can make some progress here. So the bit of common sense and the logic behind this is, if this is the start of something bigger, well, then it's going to need to keep on getting bigger. Or in other words, the price is going to need to make progress going forward. You're not going to want to see the price go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, yeah, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So think about 0.044. I'm not saying this will happen, but just to kind of illustrate things, if the price were to drop below 0.044 and continue to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? From a literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does pull back. However, in this situation, behaves like this and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the, we'll call it quote unquote progress point as 0.044. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than the fact of the party stopped today up at 0.054. So 0.054 key level of resistance going into Friday. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice move today. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.